Hi everybody, so today I'm in my garden doing a wildlife video. Now, there isn't going to be that much footage of every single bird being like 200 miles per hour, lows, so I can't take that many photos or anything, so I could easily just like get stuck. Bill B again. Now mind, this isn't by myself. I'm not that happy about, but it's okay because I'm here. So I'll see how many birds I can get caught on camera. See everything which I can get on. But first, are you okay? Are you okay? And then so confused. Firstly, he wants to go in. The next minute, he wants to go out. The next minute, he wants to go in. So awkward. By the way, my favourite word of this week is awkward. Just literally every single thing which I do is awkward. Yeah, so I'm going to walk around, see what I can find, and see how much wildlife I can find as well. Oh. These are herring gulls. These herring gulls are very common, but they are very rarely seen by mating. Earlier, a pair were fighting, but I don't have a clue why. And I was just talking to him. Hello. Hello, can you? I got a feral pigeon. Hope you like it. Go, I'm waiting for you. Just go. Thank you. That was the worst footage of a bird I've ever got. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Pot jumper. This is a pot jumper. Just got photobombed. Yeah, this is actually, honestly, done better than it was. So yes, I'm still getting attacked, but well, the adult messed up badly. The sun has actually started to come out, so let's hope that everything goes perfectly. Yes, so it's half lighting up, half going down. So we'll see how well I do at the end of the vid. I haven't been able to capture most birds on my camera, so this could be quite bad. Don't mind, I'm using my phone camera. But like it's focus. If you've seen me try to focus on anything, it's bad. It's so bad. Just roasted him. Hey, do that again. Do that again. Yeah, we don't get along together. No, well, don't tell him. We do get along together, just like we argue like 10 million times a day. Literally, he uses my things when I'm using it, and he grabs my phone, and I'm trying to get changed, ready for something, and he uses my phone, and he deletes it. He's smarter than you think. He deletes my favourite photos. But I get them back because I've got something called an undo button. Bobby. La 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 la. Every single bird's left. Don't mind me literally just playing football. He missed me. Na. Okay, that's just quite funny. He's just done like a lip sync. Okay, I'm going to run video. We got a few birds on camera. It's not good, but it's not bad. So anyway, bye. See you next video. Not today. Peace.